G'day and welcome to the workshop. So today we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing of a Devilbiss SLG-G620, and if you want to piss people off, just call it a Devilbiss. Supposedly called God, no, I can't even pronounce it. Devilbiss. Spelt Devilbiss. This is your entry gun. This is, I believe, the cheapest that the company makes. Apparently they make some pretty shit hot guns, but not that I can afford them, because, you know, most of them are up around, you know, anywhere from 600 to 12, 15, 2 grand. So it's the company that it came from, Bayford. Never heard of them before, but alright, not a problem. And we got some bits and pieces here. Let's have a look, shall we? I'll recycle the box. Now, okay, well, this would be the pot. Get that out of the road first, hey? Pretty standard looking pot. I don't think anything else is in it. Yep, that's it. Yep, smells like a plastic pot. Try and smoke it. Nah, wrong kind of pot. Alright, never mind. One day it might work. What else we got? The gun. I'm just having a look here. 1.3mm nozzle. Gravity fed, and yep, let's have a look, shall we? No, it doesn't look too bad. It's got a nice, feels nice. Yeah, okay, trigger doesn't feel too bad at all, actually. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it feels quite nice. So we're going to be using this to spray my beast a bit later. So I will definitely give you the skinny on what I think of it. 60 psi maximum inlet. Starting line. In other words, cheap as fuck. Except it wasn't that fucking cheap. Let me tell you that much for nothing. What did I pay for? About, I don't know, fucking 160 bills or something like that, I think. So, oh, well, it feels alright. Feels fairly smooth. Action's pretty good. They didn't give me a fucking compressor fitting, but oh well. More things to buy on top of that, I guess. Alright, there you go. And well, I'll just have to give her a bit of a go through and see how she cranks. So tune back in the next couple of days, and I'll not only let you know how it goes, I'll show you how it goes, because I've got my bar out there to spray. So looks like quite a nice gun. Looks alright. Yeah.
Text message.
Text message. Alright. There you go. As per usual, stay safe, be good, and we'll see you around like a Rissole trendsetters. Ciao.
Techno.